Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're cooking Papas Con Huevo, also known as Mexican potatoes with eggs. For this recipe, we're going to need potatoes, onion, tomatoes, jalapenos, eggs, salt and pepper, and some oil. We're going to start off by dicing our potato into little squares. We're going to put it on a pan on medium heat with some oil. And we're going to continue to move so that nothing burns. Once our potatoes are golden, we're going to add our seasoning. I'm going to add salt and pepper, but feel free to add anything that you like. Now that we have our seasoning on, we can add our onions and our jalapenos. And we're going to cook this until the onions look semi-translucent. Now that our onions are semi-translucent, we're going to add our tomatoes. And we're going to continue to cook this for 3 or 4 minutes. Once our tomato looks wilted, we're going to be ready to add our egg. So we're going to make a little hole in the middle of our pan. And we're going to add a little bit of oil and 3 eggs. We're going to add egg whites and egg yolks, but if you only want egg whites, that's okay. And when I am mixing everything up, what I want to do is coat every potato and every tomato with a little bit of egg. And we're just going to continue to mix and move everything around so that the egg cooks completely. Once we notice that the egg is completely cooked, it is done. And you are ready to eat. This is great as is, or as a side to another dish, such as pork chops, or alongside refried beans, or in a burrito. My choice for today was to fry up an egg and put it right on top. You can't forget the tapatio, guys. You can eat this dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is totally up to you. Guys, let me know what is your favorite breakfast down on the comments. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.